The new POCO X8 series is expected to include two models, the POCO X8 Pro and the POCO X8 Pro Max. The company recently teased the upcoming series, but unboxing images of the POCO X8 Pro already leaks. The POCO X8 Pro rebranded Redmi Turbo 5. The POCO X8 Pro will allegedly have a 6,500 mAh battery, support 100W wired charging. The POCO X8 Pro has been spotted in the Geekbench online database. It managed a single-core score of 1,708 and a multi-core score of 6,297. It's powered by the recently unveiled MediaTek Dimensity 8500 SoC paired with 12GB of RAM and run Android 16. The X8 Pro to come with a 6.59-inch 1268 by 2756 AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and 3500 nit peak brightness, a 50MP Sony IMX882 main sensor, an 8MP ultrawide, and a 20MP selfie camera. POCO's official website for Belgium mistakenly uploaded pricing information for the yet unannounced POCO X8 Pro and POCO X8 Pro Max. POCO X8 Pro go for €399.90 with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The model with 512GB of space will be priced at €449.90. 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage and will be priced at €479.90. Moving over to the X8 Pro Max, this one starts at €529.90 with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and it goes up to €579.90. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.